So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It actually works. It's super cool. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys something. Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of FlickReels so you can get unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn this on in the mod menu and you guys are going to see that I get unlimited coins on the FlickReels. So let's see if it adds the coins to our device. And yeah, we'll see the magic. So it says adding. So let's see if this worked. And yeah, it says they were added. So this is what I have right now. Oh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this FlickReels mod so you can get unlimited coins 2025. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to this website, which is called tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you are going to see a ton of apps. So what I want you to do is just type in FlickReels and then go ahead and press install. And before the mod downloads, there's going to be a verification step. So this is the last step, guys. You just have to download 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long, but yeah, guys, if you get down on FlickReels, you gotta try this out because it actually works. Super cool. So let's just give it a second here for this to load up. As you can see, so yeah, now we're done, and it's just gonna tell us that we gotta do verification, which is just download some apps. So as you can see, like Family Island says reach level 10, it's a game, so I could do that. You know, I don't know, DraftKings, Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys, then you'll have the FlickReels mod on your device. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later and peace out, bro.